Hey everybody, welcome back to another YouTube channel. I mean, a video episode. Today, I'm gonna do a short video of what we have for equipment and everything. As you guys can see, my old Ford Super Duty truck in the background. We basically use that truck for feeding cows, and my dad bought it after me. This used to be my daily driver and everything, till it started having the problems. The next thing I'm gonna show you is a Kubota tractor 9540, which is got 95 horsepower on it, and it's a good tractor and everything. The next piece of equipment I'm gonna show you is a John Deere 5093, and we generally use this tractor for pulling a John Deere Baler 328, which I will show you in a couple of minutes. This tractor is the newest addition to the farm. This is gonna be a third year with this tractor and everything. The next one I'm gonna show you is a International 666 tractor, and this is the tractor that my dad uses to pull a little New Holland 9-foot hay barn and everything. It got 67 horsepower on it, so it's a good tractor to pull that swapper. The next piece of equipment is a Rhino SE8A, which I think is a 9-foot brush-hog mower, and we just use this to mow down like really tall grass in my pasture. The next piece I'm gonna show you is Flight Kill MS-1108 manure spreader. We use this whenever we have to clean out the corral and everything for my cows. The next piece I'm gonna show you guys is a little John Deere 770 with a 70 front-mounted rotor, and we use this for like cleaning out the corral, or we have to pick out tree branches or wherever in the yard. This next piece is a willow tiller. We use this to get my mom's garden ready and prepped for planting all the vegetables and everything. The next piece I'm gonna show you is a John Deere 338 baler, and this is gonna be a 3-year with it. Before we had the baler, we had to go borrow my uncle's tractor and baler to bale our hay. But with us having our own baler, now we don't have to wait on that and everything. But this baler makes a 14 by 18 bale, and it's what's good for us for the 3 years that we have bought this baler. Last year we had a little minor breakdown, and I'm kind of hoping this year we don't have that big a breakdown. So the big box that you see back here is a twine box. We could put 8 bars of twine back here. And then the pipe that you see sticking out with the one for critter shoot, this is where the bales come out behind the baler. Moving on to the next piece of equipment that we have. Yeah. And then here is a little 5-foot brush hog lily that we used to use with little John and everything. It's really nice and everything. Here is my dad's hay rake that he bought a couple years ago. It's been a really good hay rake. My dad also hooked up the International 666 tractor, and he uses that tractor, this hay rake, to rake the hay into windrows so I could come in behind them and bale. And I just want to say thank you for watching the videos. Please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more coming adventures. And I will see you in the next adventure. Thank you. Bye.